Hello friends, in last lecture we see ideals and filters. In this lecture we are going to study chain conditions and completeness. Now some definitions here. First, let P be an order set. Let P be an order set first if C is equal to C1 dash 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 Cn is a finite chain in P, is a finite chain in P with mod of C is equal to n plus 1. Then we say that C is a chain of length n. We say that C is a chain of length n. Second, P is said to have length n. L of P is equal to n if the length of the longest chain is n. If the length of longest chain in P is n. Length of the longest chain. P is said to have length n, written L of P is equal to n. If length of the longest chain in P is n. Third definition. Third, P is of finite length if it has a length n for some n belongs to this capital N. P has no infinite chain means finite chain. P has a no infinite chain if every chain in P is finite. That means every chain in P is finite, then P has no infinite chain. Now, next definition. Fifth, P satisfies ascending chain condition P satisfies ascending chain condition ACC if for any sequence x1 less than or equal to x2 less than or equal to and so on. less than or equal to xn less than or equal to and so on of elements in P of elements in P, there exists K belongs to N such that xk is equal to xk plus 1 is equal to and so on like this. That means in this sequence next elements, that means k, k plus 1, k plus 2 are equal. That means this sequence is stopped. Now, dual statement of this ascending chain condition is descending chain condition. Descending chain condition is called DCC. P satisfies descending chain condition DCC if for any sequence dual statement x1 greater than equal x2 greater than equal to and so on, xn greater than equal to and this way of elements of P there exist K belongs to N such that xk is equal to xa plus 1 and so on like this. Descending chain condition. Now, here some examples. First here, the lattice Mn means one additional circle n bar additional circle 1. That means this way. This is Mn. Is a lattice of length 2. Mn has length 2. Any chain here of length 2. 1, 2. A lattice of finite length. A lattice of finite length has no infinite chain. Has no infinite chain. That means finite. Any lattice of finite length has a, here Mn is a finite length. Mn is a lattice of finite length and it has no infinite chains. It has no infinite chains. And so this satisfies, Mn satisfies both ACC and DCC. That means if lattice has a finite length, then it satisfies both ACC and DCC. Here ACC means like this. This is ACC. Here stop. Sequence is decreasing only. And like this, this is DCC, increasing only. And if finite length like this, then this satisfies both ACC, DCC, ACC and DCC. In this case, ACC satisfied but not DCC. Here DCC satisfied but not ACC. Here both satisfied, ACC and DCC. If it change like this, then this change not ACC, also not DCC. Here ACC also not satisfied, DCC also not satisfied. Now next examples here. The lattice. N0 with relation this satisfies DCC but not ACC. DCC but not ACC. Here bottom element is 1. That means any change stop at 1. Any change in this lattice stop at 1. Third, the chain N satisfies DCC but not ACC. This satisfies DCC but not ACC. That means here chain up. Here this is 1, 2, 3 and so on like this. This is N. This is N. This satisfies DCC but not ACC. And dual of these and here dual. And dual is like this. One, two, and so on, like this. Satisfies ACC but not DCC. Here dual satisfies ACC but not DCC. Now here next example, one additional circle union of N belongs to this N additional circle 1 like this. Here one, here this one, and here this one. Now union of these. One, two, three, four, and so on like this. Continue. This is bounded lattice. Bounded lattice. This is example of lattice with no infinite chain. This is the lattice with no infinite chain, with no infinite chain, but a finite length, but not a finite length, but not a finite length. That means this lattice has a no infinite chain. That means finite chains, but not a finite length. Chains are finite, but here negation of negation, that means finite. This lattice has a finite chain. That means any change, stop here and here. So this lattice has a finite chains, but no finite, not a finite length. Not a finite length. Okay? We stop here. Thank you.